Here I have Renault Captur, and let me show you how to delete profile from the Renault Infotainment system. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Then let's find here and select the apps icon from the top. Then let me scroll down until you see the settings. Let's just choose settings. From the settings, all you need to do is scroll down until you see the privacy. Tap privacy. From privacy, you need to tap infotainment system data. And as you can see here, you can choose the first option, which is delete your profile. So it will erase your profile and accounts from the infotainment system. That's what we need. Let me tap it. So if you delete the only remaining profile for the vehicle, all data settings and apps associated with this profile will be erased. After reset, you can set up a new profile. So that's what we need. Let's tap delete. And as you can see now, you can start from the fresh. You can choose the language. You can tap begin, accept to the terms of use. Let me accept all. You can sign in to Google to My Renault or skip it. Let me skip it. Tap next. You can sign in to Google account or skip it as well. Tap skip. Choose more and accept. Tap next. Next to data information. You can customize your profile by connecting your vehicle to My Renault, setting up the assistant and apps, and profile lock. In my case, let me tap done for now. It should be a quick start. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.